So when you have a good paint finish such as this, the paint should be maintained for at least 10 years before it is repainted. But when you have some portions that have been gathering dirt little by little, such as this, around the switch, on the walls such as this, where children touch often and then use their hands to dirty the wall, what do? We need to carry out paint maintenance for those areas, and that is what we are going to do right here. So how do we carry out this paint maintenance? We do this by cleaning it, and then the cleaning is different for different types of paint. For a glossy finish such as we have here, we use soap, little soap in water, and then something like a cloth, cotton material or foam to wash it clean. Alright, now on the other hand, when you have a motion finish, you don't use soap and water like that. You use clean clothes. If you have accumulation of dust, you clean it with clean clothes. When you have a tough stain on the wall, then you can use little soap in water and then clean it off with a soft cloth. So we're going to clean this portion using soap, little soap in water, and then a clean cotton material to do the cleaning. Okay, so for a glossy finish like this, we use soap and water. Okay, you put little soap with detergents and water and use a soft cloth or foam such as I have here to clean off dirt. Be careful with the electrical fittings such as the switches not to allow water to enter. So you need to squeeze the cloth or foam you are cleaning such area so that water will not find its way into it and cause damage or probably electric shock. Water. See that the dirt is still removed, scrubbing, and the clean finish of the wall is being restored. Okay, so right now we have cleaned this portion. So what you have is, again, hold in water and then you use it to wipe the soap off the wall. With little water only. You don't need much water. Right? could see the result of the cleaning on this wall. We now have a cleaner wall, cleaner paint finish than what we had earlier. So we could see, yes, now shining as it was before. Right, the paint is now shining as it was before. You can see some stains on this wall right here. I'm going to get it off now by washing maintenance. Right. Now, let's go and clean up a wall which is actually painted with emulsion finish. So, let's go there and see the method we're going to use. Okay, so here is emulsion finish. So we use soap sparingly. We don't use plenty soap here. Sometimes you can use plain water, clean cloth, or perhaps foam like I have here. Don't scrub this place too much. Don't use too much pressure to scrub in order not to remove the emulsion paint. Clean clothes and water to mop out the soap. Clothes should be moist and not dry and not too wet. Right, so we also have a emulsion finish on this part of the room. So we use soap and water. Use a little sponge to actually increase the pressure that we use for the scrubbing. There's a little sponge here, soft sponge. We're going to peel out the paints. Don't forget, your good paint finish should last for at least 10 years before we do the painting. Before you do the painting. Meanwhile, the paint will need maintenance like once in a year to maintain its appearance. That's what we're trying to do after about 2 years that we have painted this house. Trying to do the paint maintenance right now to maintain the appearance, the good appearance of the paint. You can see now what we have achieved. That's it. You've achieved good results needed here. The wall has been cleaned. The dirt has been cleaned away from the top surface of the wall. In some other portions of the house, your paint might have dust accumulations, such as upper part of the walls, ceilings. Such portions should be cleaned using only a dry piece of cloth to clean out the dust. And that is what we are going to do for portions such as this that we have in this room. Check out the upper portion of this ceiling. We can see some minor dust accumulations that we're going to clean up using a clean piece of cloth only, without water, soap or anything. That is what we are going to do now. And sometimes we see small cobwebs. These also have to be cleaned. Okay, so such area that have little dust accumulation shall be cleaned with a clean piece of cloth, dry piece of cloth.